Hey! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet Beatrice the Bee. If you want to crochet along with me, you'll need all the materials listed down in the description. And don't forget to do a gauge swatch because you need to find the right hook. Let's get started! Alright, to get started, you're going to need a body. The link for the video tutorial is right here. So what you're going to need to do is make the bottom in black. And then for the top piece, you're going to start with yellow. And then for rounds 6 and 7, you'll change to black. 8 and 9 are yellow, 10 and 11 are black again, and so on, till you get to 16 and 17, which should be yellow. That way everything matches up right here. And I used a slip stitch to join each round after here, just so that the stripe, the color changing would be less noticeable. Up to you, do it however you like. And then we're gonna get straight to making the wings. Now for the wings, you're going to need some white yarn. This is Bernat Blanket Yarn. As was the yarn earlier, I should have said so. Alright, so make a slip knot, put it on your hook, and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a double crochet in the third chain from your hook. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. And then single crochet in each of the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Okay, now chain 1. We have a long tail for sewing, so really we're just going to tie them on. Pull it through, and then make another one, and we'll move on to putting Beatrice's eyes in. Now we're going to place Beatrice's eyes. You need to grab some 12mm safety eyes. I have the link in the description for the ones I have. And then you're also going to need Beatrice's wings that you made right here, because we're going to sew those on after we're done with the eyes. Alright, so now we're going to put her eyes 2 to 3 rows out. I'm trying to remember how I did this. Just about any way you do it's going to be cute. So you can put them there. Or you can put them a little further out. I take it back, that looks terrible. How did I do this before? I must have done... There we go, that's right. That. Now put on your washers. These washers are sometimes a little tough to get on, but that's good because they're supposed to be safety eyes and not ever come off. If you ever do put them in the wrong place, they do come off, but it takes a lot of work and usually ruins the washer, depending on which brand you get. Alright, those are in, and now we're going to put on her wings. So, different people like these in different places. I like mine close together, some people like theirs further apart. I'm going to put mine here and here. We can start by using our hook, actually. This goes much faster that way. We're going to find our center line and go on either side of it and pull each one through just like that. Alright, and then for the other one, do the same thing. A little further apart. Let's see here. Through here, and then a little over, and through there. Alright, and now just tie a square knot on the other side. Nice and tight. And then we'll move on to sewing up Beatrice. Alright, now we're going to whip stitch up the body. So you're going to take your bottom, Thread the long end through your needle, and then get stitching. And you can just whip stitch all the way around. My lightning's going funny. There we go. And go ahead and stuff her when you have a little bit of space left before sewing it up. Tie a square knot, pull the ends through, and you're done. When you're all done, she should look like this. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!